रेनो 3 प्रो 5G 10 दिसंबर को इंडिया में लॉन्च होगा, जिसकी कीमत लगभग 21,000 रुपये है। 8GB प्लस 128GB।
The challenge with this day and age is that everything is just so easy. No one wants to invest their time and energy anymore when everything is just the click of a button. You can connect with people from all over the globe, but you never really get to know them. I choose to really connect. Connect with the smiles and laughter. Connect with words and hugs. Connect with capturing the moment.